Hello everyone. Have you noticed something unusual in the currency market? Even when the dollar index weakened last year, the Indian rupee did not strengthen much. In fact, it turned out to be one of weakest Asian currency. Let's understand this interesting currency story. Over the past year, the rupee has shown persistent weakness against the dollar. If we look at USD/INR offshore chart, the trend is quite clear. The rupee has been moving in an upward channel, forming higher highs and higher lows, which indicates sustained pressure on the rupee. Now, here is surprising part. During 2025, the dollar index declined by more than 10%. Normally, when the dollar falls this sharply, emerging market currencies including Asian currencies tend to strengthen, but that did not fully happen in case of Indian rupee. Most Asian currencies remained stable or moved sideways during that period. The Chinese yuan, which usually shares a strong correlation with the rupee, also traded in a relatively narrow range. However, USD/INR stayed elevated, making the rupee one of weakest performance in the region. This suggests that the rupee is currently being influenced more by domestic demand and supply factors rather than just global dollar movements. For businesses and market participants, this situation highlights an important lesson about currency risk management. In such uncertain and volatile conditions, relying on just one hedging tool may not be enough. Vanilla option, for example, provide flexibility. Exporters can benefit if the currency moves in their favor while still having protection. On the other hand, forward help importers lock in cost uncertainty. A balanced approach that combines both forwards and options can help manage risk more efficiently. So, it's simple. When currency trends diverge from global patterns, having a flexible and structured hedging strategy become more important than ever. Thank you.